always knew the heart was made to be broken, but I never thought the crack would sound like this. You changed your mind, left your love unspoken. Now every drop of rain tastes like your kiss. The streetlights blur where we once stood. Your laughter's a ghost in the neighborhood. Umbrella in the rain, bent and torn apart, lying on the roadway like my shattered heart. You don't need my shelter, you walked away, but the storm keeps falling where I stay. I don't know why it hurts so deep. Counted the risk, but not the grief. Every memory cuts like glass. Your shadow lingers as the moments pass. I was built to hold you through the storm. Now I'm just a shape the night deforms. Umbrella in the rain, bent and torn apart, lying on the roadway like my shattered heart. You don't need my shelter, you walked away, but the storm keeps falling where I stay. The puddles carry pieces of our song. The thunder whispers where we went wrong. Had a rise to shield you, but you're not there. Just empty air and a memory's glare. Umbrella in the rain, bent and torn apart, lying on the roadway like my shattered heart. You don't need my shelter, you walked away, but the storm keeps falling where I stay. Umbrella in the rain, left behind again.